Hello guys, today we are in the Llop golf course in 20 minutes from Alicante city and 15 minutes from Alicante International Airport. Just about to show you this magnificent first line golf property. On the backyard, each villa has private parking space and storage included. So we enter the property. It feels open and luminous. And straight away, interior patio, which apart of being really great architecture and design feature, bring to the property a lot of natural light and this airflow, which is so important in the summertime. Another great feature is this transparent staircase. I love that they made it this way because it enhances the feeling of openness of all the space. Just look at this luminous open plan living room. I don't know if I can transmit you through the video how good and tranquil does it feels to be here. We have the same wood imitation flooring inside and outside, which connects the interior and exterior of the property together with this gorgeous natural landscape of the golf course. With your private infinity pool of 30 square meter size. Another great detail from the developer is this natural stone flooring, creates this comfortable temperature even in the summer. So let's go inside because it's a little bit windy and I still have so many things to tell you about interior. I absolutely love these full high windows by Guardian Sun, which protects you from the temperature changing. Even if we have electric floor heating installed in all the property and air zone conditioning included in price. So here we have the beautiful modern kitchen with all the Whirlpool appliances already included in price. Here, this place, I need to tell you because it's very important. This show house villa doesn't have it, but the rest of the properties will have steps leading downstairs to the huge basement of 150 square meters included in price. So where you can make a gym or bodega or maybe another bedroom if you need. Let's go to see the night area. So we have here the bedroom number 1 with the built-in wardrobes and first bathroom on this level. And of course, the master suite with built-in and walk-in wardrobes. Okay, let's go upstairs and see the third bedroom and solarium. Solarium door on the left side. And here we have the third bedroom and suite with its own private bathroom and access to the solarium. The solarium is actually divided in two parts, a private terrace next to the bedroom and here another beautiful sitting area where you can relax, watching the sunsets or making barbecue with your family. If you want to see this house in person, I would love to show it to you again. Thank you so much for watching to the end.